Here's our equation. 2 radical 3 plus 1 over 3 radical 3 minus 4. The first thing you're going to want to do is find your conjugates. And to do that, you keep all the same terms, but you just switch the sign. So here it's 3 radical 3 minus 4, and now switch to 3 radical 3 plus 4. Once you have this, you're going to write that out here and here. Next, you want to do FOIL, which is first, outside, inside, last. And that is, so to do that, you're going to do the first pair, which is 3 radical 3 times 3 radical 3. And that is 9 radical 3. Then you're going to move on to outside, which is 3 radical 3 and plus 4. And that is plus 12 radical 3. And then we're going to do inside, which is minus 4 and 3 radical 3, which is minus 12 radical 3. And then we're going to do the last one, which is minus 4 and plus 4, which is minus 16. So you write that out as your denominator. And then you're going to want to move on to your numerator. And you're going to do FOIL again here. So you do first 2 radical 3 and 3 radical 3, which is 6 times 3 plus 8 radical 3. And that 8 radical 3 is the outside, which is 2 radical 3 and plus 4. So then you're going to do inside, which is plus 1 and 3 radical 3, which is 3 radical 3. And then you're going to do the last ones, which is plus 1 and plus 4, which is, 1 times 4, which is 4. And then now you have this, you want to try to find like terms. So start with here. 12 plus 12 radical 3 minus 12 radical 3 are like terms. So they cancel out when you do plus 12 radical 3 minus 12 radical 3. So these are gone. And then you're going to do 9 times 3, which is 27. And then it's 27. And then you're going to minus 16 from that, which is 11. So you write down 11 for your denominator. And then you're going to do the numerator, the same thing. So 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 4 is 22. So you can write 22 down. And then you want to calculate these parts. So for these, they both have radicals, so you just add these numbers at the start, which is 11 radical 3. So you write down 22 plus 11 radical 3 over 11, and that is your final answer.
Our equation is 1 radical 3 plus 3 radical 12 minus 5 radical 3. So what we want to do here is we want to take the 3 radical 12 and bring it down. And then after, we're going to take our 2 like terms here and solve those. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 minus 5, just 4, and we're going to keep the 3. That stays the same. So what we have now is this equation. Negative 4 radical 3 plus radical 12 is our equation right now. So what we can do here is we can factorize the radical 12. So what we have here is we have 2 times 6, which is also 12, and 3 times 2, which is 6. So we're going to take the 2, and we're going to multiply it by the 3. And we keep the radical 3, because this is the leftover number. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. And it's going to be written out like this. That's going to be how this part is written out. And this part will be the same. So it would be written out as negative 4 radical 3 plus 6 radical 5. And when we solve that, we get 2 radical 3, and that's our answer.